大家好，我叫周之瑜，我係 Keep Home Tiger Cub Scout。喺獅城港地同交流裏邊，我最鍾意嘅部分係做袋，因為袋上面嘅圖案係我自己印上去嘅。印好之後呢，仲可以用袋嚟裝嘢。
Hello everyone, I am Zhou Zhiyue from Keep Home Tiger Scout. My favorite part about the Hong Kong-Singapore exchange program is the bingo challenge on the first day. I found it interesting because I get to learn more from the Hong Kong Scouts. However, I did not get to complete the bingo card in time as the time limit was too short. I hope the time limit can be longer so that everyone can get to know each other better.
我係北葵涌第6旅童軍團成員歐東明，之後就了解到一啲關於環保嘅知識啦，同埋一啲關於中華白海豚啲嘢啦，同埋都了解到大澳呢個漁村文化啲嘢啦，啲人都好好啦，好 nice 啊，有人情味。
I also really enjoyed the Tai O trip as many activities such as making the salted egg yolk and riding the sampan are things I've never experienced in Singapore. In a nutshell, I think the trip was really good and I enjoyed it. I wish that there will be more trips like this in the future.
澳嘅嗰日，我最鍾意嘅部分係綁漁網，因為我發現漁網係用咗好多我識嘅結。我仲認識咗一啲香港嘅童軍，我希望以後仲有機會見到你哋。我今日嘅分享就到呢度，多謝大家。
Hi, I'm Boyu, and I want to tell you something about the Hong Kong trip. The Hong Kong trip was a fun and interesting experience in which I made a lot of friends and interacted with a lot of scouts and other people. I also like hiking the mountain in Tai O because it is a very fun experience that we can't experience in Singapore because in Singapore we do not have any high mountains.
Hi, I'm Boy's mommy. My name is Femi. I'm so glad to see Boy enjoyed his Hong Kong trip too much, especially when he was doing some arts and crafts. He kept laughing and talking with his new friend from Hong Kong Scouts. And they played together and changed the badges. I think Hong Kong trip will be the one of their precious child memories.
我係北葵涌第6旅童軍團成員方慧雲。我今日參與咗香港青年大使計劃第8組舉辦嘅大澳活動，我好榮幸可以參加到今次嘅大澳嘅旅程。我哋朝頭早坐咗3班體驗啦，漁網編織工作坊，晏晝仲有扶山解謎遊戲、蝦醬體驗。我覺得今次嘅活動好有創意，喺謎題之間我認識咗好多唔同嘅生態知識，尤其係紅樹林、鹽田同埋招潮蟹等等嘅知識令我眼前一亮。
我係北葵涌區第6旅嘅成員陳亞鵬。今日嘅活動都幾充實嘅，佢哋都準備咗幾多，例如好似鹹蛋嘅製作坊啦、舢板嘅體驗等等啦，都品嚐咗唔同嘅小食，好似沙翁或者茶果，都了解咗好多大澳嘅文化、漁民生活等等，亦都認識咗唔同嘅生態同埋有關嘅知識，中華白海豚點樣受破壞等等。
I'm Ziyu and Ziyu's mommy Joyce. We have been the Singapore Keep Home Tiger Scout for nearly 4 years. Thank you for this opportunity to revisit Hong Kong because of the Singapore and Hong Kong Scouts exchange program. The kids really enjoy the program. 我哋大家都玩得好開心，我覺得呢個機會比較難得，可以大班童軍一齊有一個交流嘅機會。去大澳嘅一個安排呢，都非常之充實，有好豐富嘅體驗活動，大人同小朋友都非常之開心。我覺得做漁網、坐舢板、整鹹蛋黃呢啲機會，可能我自己之前都係咁多年喺香港都冇試過，所以呢次機會好難得，都好多謝香港青年協會 香港青年大使嘅一班 YA 幫手去做導遊啦，帶領我哋去參加唔同嘅活動。咁我自己咧10幾年前都係 YA 嘅一份子，都好開心 YA 繼續延續落去，同埋做到越嚟越多更精彩豐富嘅活動。感謝香港青年協會，多謝 YA， 然之後多謝香港嘅童軍，希望以後再有機會再參加咁樣嘅交流活動。